We are now on the fourth step of this project, completing the admin module. And again I would say that project has already been completed and I have split it into named sequential steps. Extra effort will be required and it is very difficult to run it in live mode, to make it in live mode. So you have to understand this limitation. I can only explain what has been done. So in this tutorial, we have to create the home page of the administrator where he can search a customer by email. The list of recent customers, last 10, can be shown to him. Recent payments received, last 10, and total collected this month, this whole table, and pricing plans where he can edit or add a new plan, delete a plan. So all this he can do, and when he edits a plan, when he clicks here or clicks on the add new plan, this page opens where he can add the name of a plan, the devices allowed, amount, validity, etc. So this is the objective of this tutorial. So let us start straight away. We'll come to Visual Studio. So let us come to Visual Studio, and in this tutorial, as I said, we will be completing the admin part, and let us start with the index homepage first of all to see how we have done it. As you can see, this is the index homepage, this one that you are seeing, where we have a sort of a form. We have to display data, display tabular data, display the list of plans. So it is basically a display and there is just one form on this page. And let us have a look at what we have done. At the top you are logged in as administrator, and then we have a form that goes with the get method, and it has a search customer. It sends email to the same page, to the index page. So this email ID will go to the index page. And let me open the backing class. Here you can see that this has a list of pricing plans, customers, payments, the searched customer, and this is where that email will come. And on the basis of that email, a pricing plans are is a complete list of plans, customer, the list of customers, the last 10, the payments, last 10 similarly, top 10 after ordering by ID. And then if email comes, then searched customer is obtained, and this searched customer will be shown somewhere on the page. And when I run it, then you can see also how it works. And after that, the details of the searched customer, his email, his plan, his expiry date of the plan, amount paid. This is only a for each display in tabular form, so you must already be aware of how to do this. This is some sort of a sum total, amount collected this month, the sum, the query has been run, and again we have used partial pages to show a date, and amount will show in dollars or whatever, and pricing plans are also shown. Plan is active, inactive. This all is a simple display of table using a for each on the list that is obtained from the backing class. So there is no big deal, but you will have to slowly see and go through this one. Let me run it till this part. So let us enter. We will have to go as admin because we have already seeded this data, so that is why it is working. But you can create your own user ID and everything. Click in login, and you can see that it shows pricing plans, it shows everything, and I can search an email by user email, and details of user, see they have appeared here, the last payments, and he can search by an email if he wants clear away. So this is how this index page is working. And now let us come to this add new. This second page is pricing plan form. So let us have a look at this page also. Open the Solution Explorer once again, pricing plan form, and on this we have a form. You can see posted form, the readable name of the plan, device quota, subscription charge, and a radio buttons for the validity in 30, 60, 180 days, whatever. And the device is the plan is active or not, there is a checkbox. And the backing class, you can have a look here. The backing class, when the page opens, it receives the plan ID. If ID is null, then an empty form is shown, otherwise a plan is searched and already shown on the page so that it can be edited, modified. And depending on if the plan ID is 0, this means we are adding a new record, or otherwise we are trying to edit the record. This is how it all is working. You can have a look at it. I'll close it right now. Thank you.